Hey everybody, this is Eric Clark's travel videos, and I'm here at Chevinko monument, and that's this monument here, not the church, but the monument. And I'll go over and I'll do a little video of it. It's like the center spot of town, so it's pretty amazing. But I'll show you what it looks like. Bye everybody. All right, Chevinko. That's this person here, Taras, T-A-R-U-S or A-S, Taras Chevinko. Taras Chevinko. Man, I hope I got the right statue. But I think that's this guy here. And then the statue, this one is something else, I think, but I think it's all part of the same monument. So, this is the Taras Chevinko. Man, you know, you always worry about having it right or wrong, but let me get in the shade here. Maybe I can zoom in on this to get a better picture. But the whole front of this is covered with etchings and people and stuff like that. So, pretty amazing. Even the guitarist guy, and sorry for the shaky video, and the little kid down at the bottom. Pretty amazing. And this is in Lviv, Ukraine. Lviv, Ukraine. Cool. And there's your money shot, by the way. We gotta have a money shot, right? Bye, everybody.